researchers wanted to determine whether the reaction time in seconds of males differed from that of females to a go or no-go stimulus. The researchers randomly selected 20 females and 15 males to participate in the study. The go or no-go stimulus required that the student to respond to a particular stimulus and not to respond to other stimuli. The results are as follows in this table down here. We want to test whether there is a difference in the reaction times of males and females at the 5% level of significance. So our null hypothesis is that the means are equal. So the mean of males and females are equal, or that we could subtract them and they equal 0. And the alternative is that the mean of the males and the females are different. So they are not equal. So that would be this data set here, which I'm going to put into our template that I have over here. And that gives us a t-statistic of 0.62. So I'm going to write that over here. And the p-value for this, since we want this to be a not equal to relationship, the p-value is 0.5406. So 0.5406 for that p-value. And as such, the interpretation of this will be at the 5% level of significance, the p-value is going to be much greater than the level of significance, so we will not have evidence. So this will be, we do not have evidence. Do not have evidence to suggest that, and I need a new line. We do not have evidence to suggest that there is a difference between female and male reaction times. For the 95% confidence interval, we could see this in the template here. We have a 95% confidence up here, and the interval we have a lower bound of negative 0.06. The fact that this is negative just means that the female mean is the fact this is negative means that the male mean is greater than the female mean, and the upper bound is 0.11, and that one means that the female mean is greater than the male mean. This just means then it is certainly possible for 0 to be between, since 0 is between these two numbers, it's very well possible the means are indeed 0. And because of this, we need to write our conclusion. We are 95% confident that the difference in mean reaction time of females and males is between negative 0.06, that being seconds, that being, let me put this negative onto the same line, that being the male mean is higher, and 0.11 seconds, that being for when the female mean is higher.